adductor muscles. So adductor or the medial compartment of this thigh contain the superficial plan, pectineus, adductor longus, gracilis, intermediate plan by adductor brevis. There is a obturator externus, and deep plan there is a adductor magnus. So these are the muscles contain the adductor compartment. So adductor compartment, it innervated by this nerve's name is given this obturator nerve, and obturator nerve and profunda femoris artery. These are the occupy the adductor compartment. So it occupies the medial part of this thigh and innervate between this medial and posterior intermuscular septa, which converge this. You see the muscles of this adductor compartment and nerves, obturator nerve, accessory obturator nerve, arteries. There is a profunda femoris artery, medial circumflex femoral artery, and obturator artery. These are the muscles and nerve supply of the adductor compartment. So adductor compartment is occupied the medial plan of this thigh and innervate between the medial and posterior intermuscular septa, which converge from the attachment to the linea aspera. The medial septum separates the extensor compartment from the adductor compartment. This one are the linea aspera, the posterior surface of this femur. Name is given this linea aspera. So extensor compartment from the adductor compartment, the posterior septum which separates the adductor from the flexor or the hamstring compartment. It incomplete because the adductor magnus is a composite muscles. You already learned this back of thigh or the hamstring compartment. There is a ischial part of this adductor magnus. It come in contact with this back of thigh muscles. And adductor magnus का जो adductor part है, these are these composite muscles, so it innervated by the two nerve supply or dual nerve supply. Name is given this composite muscles formed by this fusion of this adductor and the hamstring component. So these one are the two part of this adductor long magnus. There is hamstring part and one it is the adductor part. So this one are the two component of this hamstring compartment. So adductor compartment contain this superficial stratum, intermediate plan and deep plan. There is a three type of these muscles are present. Superficial there is a pectineus, adductor longus and gracilis in superficial plan. Obturator externus and obturator externus and adductor brevis is intermediate plan and adductor magnus in deep plan. This one are the deep plan. सुपरफिशियल प्लान में आएगा पेक्टिनियस, एडक्टर लॉन्गस एंड ग्रेसिलिस. इंटरमीडिएट प्लान में कौन सा आएगा? ऑब्चुरेटर एक्सटर्नस एंड एडक्टर brevis. This adductor brevis and obturator externus are contained in intermediate plan. Then adductor magnus is present in deep plan of this nerve. And all muscle is innervated by the obturator nerve and accessory obturator nerve. So artery contain the profunda femoris artery and obturator artery. Profunda femoris artery, medial circumflex femoral artery and obturator artery. This one are the present the adductor compartment. You see these are the muscles represent this section of this thigh. There is a anterior compartment of thigh. Here there is a medial compartment of this thigh and posterior compartment of the back of thigh. So these three compartments are divided by this intermuscular septa. Most medially this one are the adductor compartment. So these muscles are present adductor compartment, pectineus, adductor longus, adductor brevis and gracilis. This one are the present in the medial side of this thigh. So pectineus first muscles describe one by one. Both right and left side of this there is adductor magnus and nerve supply of this adductor magnus is obturator nerve. Adductor longus and gracilis supplied by the anterior division of this obturator nerve. Adductor brevis supply the both division of this nerve. Adductor magnus adductor part by the posterior division of obturator nerve and hamstring part supplied by the tibial part of the sciatic nerve. Pectineus की nerve supply है anterior fiber by femoral nerve and posterior fiber by anterior division of this obturator nerve. So these are the different nerve supply of the adductor magnus. Mainly it is supplied by this obturator nerve. Only this hamstring part of this adductor magnus supplied by this tibial part of this sciatic nerve. Now one by one muscle I will talk you. First there is adductor longus. So what is the adductor longus and why its name is given this adductor longus? Because it anterior division of this obturator nerve it supply the adductor longus in origin of this adductor longus from this adductor longus है तो pubic symphysis जो pubic pecten pubis है वहाँ से उसका origin है adductor longus का. So adductor longus it arises from this an insertion at the linea aspera. It is triangular in outline. Adductor longus का muscles की outline कैसे triangular. It lies medial to and in the same plane of this pectineus. You see this one are the boundary or the outline of this adductor longus muscle. Here there is a origin of this adductor longus at the body of this pubis and insertion of this adductor longus at the posterior aspect of this middle third of the shaft of this femur into the linea aspera. So it lies medial to and the same plane of this pectineus. The muscle arises by a round tendon from a circular area in angle between the pubis crest and pubis symphysis. So here there is a origin of this adductor longus between this pubic crest and pubis symphysis. A sesamoid bone name is given this Ryder's bone. Develop in this origin. Is occasionally developed in tendon of this origin. The muscle slope downward and backward and laterally as a broad fleshy belly and is insertion into the medial lip of this linea aspera. Here there is insertion of this adductor longus at the linea aspera in the middle third of the shaft of femur. Origin कहाँ से है? Body of this pubis, pubic symphysis and pubic crest के बीच में यहाँ पे body of this pubis पर है उसका origin. This one are the pubis symphysis, this one are the pubic crest. दोनों के बीच में जो है यहाँ पे बॉडी ऑफ दिस प्यूबिस पर उसका ओरिजिन है एडक्टर लॉन्गस का और इंसर्शन कहाँ पे है लिनिया एस्प्रा पर इंसर्शन इनटू द मीडियल लिप ऑफ दिस लिनिया एस्प्रा. Here there is a posterior aspect of this middle third of the shaft of femur into the linea aspera at the medial lip of this linea aspera in middle third of the shaft of femur. Here there is a insertion and sesamoid bone known as the Ryder's bone develop in the its origin at the near the origin of this adductor longus. So in front it is covered by the thin areolar membranes, the middle intermuscular septa which intervene between the adductor longus and the vastus medialis. The posterior surface of this muscle overlaps the adductor brevis and magnus muscles and is related to the obturator nerve and profunda femoris nerve. उसकी nerve supply है superior division of this obturator nerve और एंटीरियर डिवीजन ऑफ दिस ऑब्चुरेटर नर्व. एक्शन है एडक्टर लॉन्गस का. इट इज पावरफुल एडक्शन ऑफ द थाई एडक्टर एंड मीडियल रोटेटर ऑफ द थाई rotator of the hip joint. It also assists in flexion of the joint. So flexion, medial rotation of thigh at the hip joint and powerful adductor of the thigh. This one are the action of this adductor longus. So already you see this adductor longus. Here there is a name is given this Ryder's bone. So these are the adductor longus. Now second relation of this adductor longus. Here there is a you see this adductor longus ka above and below there is a two type of this superficially this passes the blood vessel femoral vein artery and femoral nerve passes deep. Here there is a anterior division of the obturator nerve. It pierces to adductor longus. More superiorly there is a spermatic cord and great saphenous. Here there is a great saphenous vein drain into this femoral vein. So these one are the superficial relation, some relation of the pectineus and the adductor longus. See this adductor magnus. Here there is a vastus medialis. This one are the sartorius and this one are the gracilis. And here there is a adductor longus. So between this adductor longus there is passes femoral artery, femoral vein, and deep to this adductor longus there is a profunda femoris vessels are passes. So this one are the reason of this adductor longus. So testing of the adductor longus of the thigh assist resistant and palpating the muscles. So you can palpate the adductor longus muscle when it is contracted. To duplicate the triangular muscle, slide its to its with the medial to the pectineus and is inserted into the medial lip of this linea aspera. This one are the adductor longus. The second muscles are the adductor brevis. So where is origin of this adductor brevis? Adductor brevis is arise from this origin at this adductor brevis from the pubis, lower part of the body and inferior ramus. This one are the origin of this adductor brevis. Insertion of this adductor brevis, here there is a insertion. You see, these are the origin. Adductor brevis from the pubis, lower part of this body and inferior ramus. And insertion of this adductor brevis on the posterior aspect of the shaft of femur along a line passing from lesser trochanter to linea aspera and to the upper part of this linea aspera itself. So these are the origin and insertion of this adductor brevis. So it arises from body of this and inferior ramus of the pubis between the origin of gracilis and obturator externus. So here there is the origin of this gracilis, origin of this obturator, origin of the adductor longus, origin of this gracilis, and this one are the origin of this adductor brevis. So it is situated below and medial to the obturator externus and lies in the same plant. The medial circumflex femoral artery winds backward in the gap between the adductor brevis and obturator externus. So here there is a origin of this obturator, origin of this adductor brevis. कहाँ से arise होता है? Arise from the body of front of the body and inferior ramus of this pubis. This one are the front of this body and inferior ramus of this pubis between the origin of this gracilis and obturator externus. Insertion of this adductor brevis muscle का insertion pass downward and backward and laterally. It is passed downward, backward and laterally in triangular form and inserted along the line extending from the base of lesser trochanter to the upper part of this linea aspera just lateral to the pectineus. So this one are the lesser trochanter, this one are the greater trochanter. Lesser trochanter यहाँ पे इंसर्शन आते हैं स्वास टेंडन इलियकस मसल और नीचे इंसर्शन आएगा एडक्टर ब्रेविस का just below this lesser trochanter along the extending from the base of lesser trochanter to upper part of this linea aspera. This one are the linea aspera and just lateral to the pectineus. The adductor brevis is overlapping in front by the pectineus and adductor longus and rest behind on the adductor magnus. The anterior and posterior division of this obturator nerve. It supplies the both division of obturator nerve. Anterior and posterior division of this obturator nerve descend vertically along the respective surface of the muscles. The adductor brevis is usually supplied by this anterior division of this obturator nerve. So generally it is supplied by the anterior division of this obturator nerve. उसका एक्शन क्या है? Adductor of the thigh. All adductor compartment supplied by the obturator nerve and उसकी सबकी एक्शन है adduction of the thigh. It common action. Adduction of the thigh at the hip joint. So this one are the action of this adductor brevis along with this flexion and medial rotator of the thigh. So this one are the action of this adductor brevis. Now adductor magnus. So adductor magnus is hybrid or the composite muscle. Why it is known as hybrid or composite? Because it has a dual nerve supply. So name is given this hybrid muscle supplied by the two different nerve. Posterior division of this obturator adductor part and sciatic nerve supply करती है hamstring part. So it is composite muscle or the hybrid muscle. It is formed by the fusion of adductor and hamstring muscles mass. The fifth osteoaponeurotic opening of the adductor magnus for passing of the femoral vessel. You see, these are this opening of these femoral vessels. Name is given this aperture for the femoral vessels. और the osteoaponeurotic opening बोलते हैं उसको. Osteoaponeurotic opening of the adductor magnus for passage of the femoral vessel. Intervening between the two mass, hence the continuity of the posterior intermuscular septum of the thigh is disturbed. So origin of this adductor magnus. You see, these are the origin. So here there is A or B. Here there is a two different origin. Adductor magnus is an extensive triangular muscles, and both components of the muscle take a continuous origin from the external surface of the ischiopubic ramus and from the inferior lateral aspect of ischial tuberosity. So ischial tuberosity पर से जो इसका origin है वो पार्ट है hamstring compartment, और जो पार्ट है conjoined ischiopubic rami, these one are the adductor compartment of the adductor magnus. So उसका origin कहाँ है? External surface of the ischiopubic ramus and from the inferior lateral aspect of this ischial tuberosity. So represent the adductor compartment and are inserted into this femoral shaft. This one you see, these are the insertion into the femoral shaft in the continuous line along the medial margin of this gluteal tuberosity. दिस वन आर द ग्लूटियल ट्यूबरोसिटी, उसकी ये मीडियल मार्जिन है, तो मीडियल मार्जिन से पूरा लेके अप टू दिस एडक्टर ट्यूबरकल. दिस वन आर द एडक्टर ट्यूबरकल और द एट द फीमर. सो दिस आर द इंसर्शन ऑफ दिस एडक्टर मैग्नस. सो एडक्टर मैग्नस का इंसर्शन कहाँ है? Insert into this femoral shaft in continuous line along the medial margin of gluteal tuberosity, medial lip of this linea aspera. This one are the medial lip of this linea aspera, this one are the lateral lip, the medial lip of this linea aspera and upper part of this medial supracondylar line up to the hiatus for the femoral vessel. This one are the hiatus for the femoral vessels. The pubic fibers are horizontal in direction, pass behind the lesser trochanter, often separate by a bursa, and lies ears to ears, which lower border of quadratus femoris and interval between the two muscles transmit the transverse branch of this medial circumflex femoral artery. For the formation of the cruciate anastomosis, the pubic fiber of the muscles are sometimes named as a adductor minimus. So pubic fiber है वो कभी कभी उसका नाम दिया है adductor minimus का. The fiber from the ischial tuberosity represent the hamstring compartment. So यहाँ से जो arise होते हैं मसल्स का फाइबर्स जो ischial tuberosity पर से वो कौन से कंपार्टमेंट में आता है? hamstring compartment में. And pass vertically downward to form a round tendon which is inserted into the adductor tubercle. This one are the adductor tubercle. So lower it is inserted at the adductor tubercle. It has a two type of this fiber, hamstring compartment and one it is the adductor compartment. The hamstring compartment it is from at this part of this here this tubercle. Hamstring compartment and both are the inserted here there is a adductor tubercle of the femur and provide a fibrous tendon. तो इसका जो fibrous expansion है और the tendon है lower part of medial supracondylar line below the hiatus of the femoral vessels. So this one to form a fibrous expansion of the lower medial supracondylar line below the hiatus of these femoral vessels. And in some vertebra, the hamstring part of the muscle is directly inserted to the tibia and is known as the pre-semimembranosus. In men, however, the lower part of this tendon degenerates to form a tibial collateral ligament of the knee joint. यहाँ से जो lower part है extend हो रहा है laterally tibial medially जो tibial collateral ligament है. So this tibial collateral ligament it is nothing but extension of this adductor magnus muscles. और lower animal में उसका जो नाम दिया है name is pre-semimembranosus. And in human, in lower part of this tendon degenerate to form a tibial collateral ligament of knee joint. Extensive linear insertion of this adductor magnus to femur present usually 5 osteoaponeuritic opening. Upper 4 opening are small and transmit the perforating branch and terminate part of this profunda femoris artery. The 5th opening give passage to the femoral vessels. This one are the 6 opening. So here there is a dual nerve supply. Lower part of the tendon degenerate to form a tibial collateral ligament of knee joint. It's supplied by the two different nerve. Posterior division obturator nerve. Adductor part जो है उसकी supply करती है obturator nerve क्या? Posterior division. And sciatic nerve किसको supply करती है? जो hamstring part जहाँ से ischial tuberosity पर से जो fibers arise हो रही. This one are the hamstring compartment part of this adductor magnus and this compartment are the adductor compartment of the adductor magnus. So adductor magnus is supplied by these two different nerve supply. So name is given this hyperide or composite muscles. उसकी action है powerful adductor of the thigh and hamstring part extend the thigh. So adductor part of this muscle supplied by this obturator nerve and hamstring part supplied by this tibial division of this sciatic nerve. So adduction of this action है addition to adduction of the thigh and adductor longus and magnus muscle are said to act as a medial rotator of hip joint. तो दोनों मिलके adductor longus and brevis दोनों क्या करते हैं medial rotator of this hip joint and there is a powerful adductor of this thigh. So these are the hamstring part extend the thigh. Hamstring compartment का जो action है वो करेगा hamstring part of this adductor magnus along another hamstring muscles. कौन कौन से hamstring muscles है? Here there is a 4 type of this hamstring semimembranosus, semitendinosus, ischial part of this adductor magnus and bicep femoris. Only long head of this bicep femoris. They all are muscles raised from this ischial tuberosity and insertion at this one part of this bone of this leg muscle. So this muscle's name is given this hamstring muscle. This one are the adductor magnus. Here there is an opening for this adductor hiatus and passes the femoral vessels. से femoral vessels pass होके कहाँ जाएगी? Back of thigh और popliteal fossa में. So popliteal fossa में हो जाएगी, वो continuation बनेगी as a popliteal artery. So femoral artery is continuous as a popliteal artery. Now fourth muscle are gracilis. You see this origin of this gracilis, it arises from a long flat muscles and arise from the medial margin of this lower part of this body of this pubis and from adjoining ischiopubic ramus. So this one are the origin of this gracilis is arise from this medial margin and ischiopubic ramus. Conjoined ischiopubic ramus. This one are the origin of this gracilis. Insertion of this gracilis at this behind this sartorius. Here there is a medial surface of this shaft of patella tibia. So sartorius, gracilis and semitendinosus. It form a guide rope. जो 3 muscles वहाँ पे insert हो रहा था ना. So sartorius anterior compartment का muscle से sartorius gracilis से adductor compartment में और medial compartment ना और semitendinosus hamstring back of thigh का muscle तीनों muscle insert हो रहे यहाँ पे at this shaft of tibia. So the muscles narrow in lower third of this thigh to form a cylindrical tendon which lies behind the sartorius across the medial condyle of this femur. It then curves forward round the medial condyle of the tibia and is inserted into the upper part of this medial surface of the tibia. Upper part of this medial surface of this tibia between this hockey stick attachment of the sartorius in front and linear insertion of this semitendinosus behind. So anterior insertion आएगा sartorius का, पीछे आएगा insertion semitendinosus का, दोनों के बीच में आएगा insertion of this gracilis. So this one are the insertion of this gracilis. The hockey stick attachment of the sartorius in front and inserted of the semitendinosus behind. The adductor magnus appear in gap between the adductor longus and gracilis. So here there is a origin of this gracilis and insertion of this gracilis. So this one are the most medial side of this muscles name is given this gracilis. उसका action है adduction of this action है flexion and medial rotator of the thigh and weak adductor of the thigh. So main उसका adductor compartment is adductor of the hip joint. It assists flexion of knee and act as a medial rotator of semi-flex knee joint. Converts the tendon of 3 muscles sartorius, gracilis and semitendinosus to the tibia from 3 continues of the hip bone. Act as a guide rope to stabilize the mobile pelvis on the tibia. So these are the formation of this guide rope. Here there is a insertion of the sartorius, behind there is insertion of this gracilis, behind there is insertion of this semitendinosus. So this 3 muscle is continuous and the hip bone act as a 3 guide ropes to stabilize the mobile pelvis on the tibia. Since the gracilis is an adductor of the hip, flexion of knee, it is considered as a custodian of the virginity. Custodian of virginity. So this one are the action of this weak adductor of the thigh, flexion and medial rotator of thigh. This one are action of this gracilis. Now pectineus. So pectineus muscles, this one are the origin. Here there is a origin, superior ramus of this pubis, इंसर्शन उसका यहाँ पे है, जहाँ पे पोस्टीरियर एस्पेक्ट ऑफ फीमर ऑन द लाइन पासिंग फ्रॉम द लेसर ट्रोकेंडर टू द लिनिया एस्प्रा। सो पेक्टिनियस मसल्स कहाँ पे आपने देखा था, फ्लोरोफेमोरल ट्रायंगल में। To recapitulate, the muscles slope downward, backward and laterally from the pectineal surface of the pubis, inserted along the line extending from the base of lesser trochanter to the upper end of this linea aspera. So these muscles are the pectineus. Origin at the superior ramus of this pubis, pecten pubis बोलते, and insertion उसका at this lesser trochanter to the linea aspera near the insertion of this vas tendon. So pectineus anterior fiber femoral nerve supply करती है, posterior fiber anterior obturator nerve supply करती है. So it also supply by this dual nerve supply, femoral nerve and obturator nerve. Adduct and flex the thigh. Origin उसका pecten pubis पर से, insertion उसका lesser trochanter to linea aspera. Composite or the hybrid muscles because of the dual nerve supply. So adductor magnus की तरफ इसका भी dual nerve supply है. So also name is given the composite or hybrid muscles. So this one are the muscles of this adductor compartment of thigh. Now next. So you see these are the origin of this section of the superior ramus of pubis to show the attachment of the pectineus. So pectineus पे यहाँ पे insertion है pectine surface of the pubis, origin of this pectineus. This one are the pectine pubis है. This one are the pelvic surface directed upward and backward. This one are the inferior border, obturator surface and obturator crest. This one are the origin of this pectineus. तो यहाँ पे उसका ओरिजिन है पेक्टिनियस का. इंसर्शन कहाँ पे है उसका, लेसर ट्रोकेंटर ऑफ फीमर में, जहाँ पे इंसर्शन था श्वास मेजर मसल्स का है, इलियोश्वास मसल जहाँ पे इंसर्शन हो रहा है वहाँ पे आता है इंसर्शन ऑफ दिस पेक्टिनियस. सो दिस आर द ओरिजिन एंड इंसर्शन ऑफ दिस. यहाँ पे ओरिजिन ऑफ दिस इंसर्शन ऑफ द इलियकस मसल से उसके नीचे आएगा इंसर्शन ऑफ दिस पेक्टिनियस. So this muscle are the pectineus. Now next. So these are the summary of this muscle of the adductor compartment. Most medially, most inner side floor it is formed by this pectineus, origin from the pecten pubis, insertion at the lesser tubercle. उसके बाद आएगा adductor longus. Adductor longus कहाँ पे आता था, it is formation of this femoral triangle के जो medial border है, लेटरल बॉर्डर है, वो फॉर्म करेगा फेमोरल ट्रायंगल की बाउंड्री. और आगे आएगा सार्टोरियस. यहाँ पे जो ट्रायंगल फॉर्म हो रहा था वो कौन सा था, फेमोरल ट्रायंगल. और ये जो पेक्टिनियस है वो फ्लोर में आता है. पेक्टिनियस, इलियोश्वास ऑल आर द फ्लोर मसल्स. ऑल्सो एडक्टर लॉन्गस इट इज फॉर्म द बाउंड्री ऑफ दिस फेमोरल ट्रायंगल. देन एडक्टर मैग्नस, उसके दो हेड था, इस्चियल पार्ट एंड इस्चियल हेड था, और दूसरा कौन सा था, एडक्टर पार्ट. इस्चियल हेड कहाँ से आता था, इस्चियल ट्यूब्रोसिटी पर से, और एडक्टर जो कंपार्टमेंट का जो पार्ट है कंजोनिशियोपेबिक रेमाई पर से आता है. सो दिस वन आर द एडक्टर मैग्नस. वहाँ पे जो ओपनिंग है 6 फॉर दिस ओपनिंग फॉर दिस फेमोरल आर्टरी. फेमोरल आर्टरी मीडियल कंपार्टमेंट से एंटर होगी पोप्लिटर फोसा में, बैक ऑफ थाई में पोप्लिटर फोसा में ओपन, तो इट इज कंटिन्यूस एज ए पोप्लिटियर आर्टरी. एंड सेफिनस आर्टरी उसकी जो ब्रांच है वहाँ से पास होगी एंटीरियरली जाएगी. दिस वन एडक्टर मैग्नस एंड मोस्ट मीडियली आएगा ग्रेसिलिस. सो कितने मसल हुए, पेक्टिनियस हुआ, एडक्टर लॉन्गस हुआ, एडक्टर मैग्नस हुआ एंड ग्रेसिलिस हुआ. सो दिस आर द मसल, द ग्रुप ऑफ दिस मसल एट द एडक्टर कंपार्टमेंट. ए एडक्टर ब्रेविस दिख रहा है डिप टू दिस पेक्टिनियस के डिप में दिखेगा, एडक्टर लॉन्गस के डिप में दिखेगा आपको एडक्टर मैग्नस. सो दिस वन आर द muscles of the adductor compartment, and it supplied by this femoral artery and obturator artery. So obturator artery, it is the continuation of this, you see this external iliac artery, it is continuous as a femoral artery. femoral artery its की जो branch है वो supply करती है adductor muscles को, and obturator artery it is directly branch of this external internal iliac artery. it supply this obturator foramen से पास होके adductor brevis उन सबको supply करती है. this one are these muscles of this adductor compartment. and उसकी nerve supply. now obturator nerve. Obturator nerve, it is chief nerve of this medial compartment of this thigh. So obturator nerve, it is directly continuation of this course and relation of this obturator nerve. So obturator nerve कहाँ से आती थी? Obturator nerve, it is the passes from this obturator. Now it is branch of this lumbar flexus. कहाँ से आ रही थी वो? Lumbar flexus. So chief nerve of this medial compartment of this thigh, it is branch of this lumbar flexus and formed by this ventral branch of this ventral rami of this L2, L3 and L4. Spinal nerve, it is nerve of the adductor compartment and lies within this vas major at its formation. So this one are this obturator nerve arise from this lumbar flexus L2, L3 and L4. उसका course and relation in thigh, obturator nerve pass downward and appear beneath the medial border of this vas major to upper surface of this ala of sacrum, where it lies behind the common iliac vessels. It crosses the pelvic brim and runs downward and forwards supernaturally along this lateral pelvic wall and leaves the pelvic cavity through the obturator canal, where it is accompanied below and behind by these obturator vessels. Close to the sacroiliac joint, the nerve lies lateral to the internal iliac vessels. And in pelvic part of ureter है and occupy the floor or the lateral floor of this ovarian fossa in female. On entering the thigh through the obturator canal, the nerve split into the anterior and posterior division. An adductor brevis and a part of this obturator externus muscles intervene between the two divisions. So this one are this course and relation of this obturator nerve in thigh. Now applied anatomy, a disease of this hip bone may cause refer pain in the knee, refer pain of the knee. So this one are this joint may be cause refer pain in the knee, medial side of this thigh because the common nerves, surgical division of this nerve led to this relief and spasm of the adductor muscles in spastic paralysis. Inflammation of the ovary, peritonitis and may affect the obturator nerve. So obturator nerve, it is chief nerve of this medial compartment. All muscle of the adductor compartment is supplied by this obturator nerve. And उसका जो distribution है, it divide into this anterior and division. So in this diagram, L2, L3 and L4, इसमें से जो पास हो रही है, this one are the L2, L3 and L4. This one are the obturator nerve. So these are the course of this obturator nerve. It is the branch of this lumbar flexus, ventral branch of this ventral rami of this L2, L3 and L4. So obturator nerve pass downward and appear beneath the medial border of this vas major to upper surface of this ala of this sacrum. So this one are the ala of this sacrum. This one are the ala of this sacrum. यहाँ से pass होती, then enter into this obturator foramen and come out at the adductor compartment or the medial side of this thigh. Here it divide into this anterior division, descend in front of the obturator externus and adductor brevis and behind the pectineus and adductor longus. At the lower border of the adductor brevis, it joins with the subsartorial flexus of the nerve and communicate with the medial cutaneous and the saphenous branch of this femoral nerve. Through the flexus, the obturator nerve supplies the skin of the medial side of the lower part of this thigh. Sometimes this cutaneous branch extends downward to supply the skin of the medial side of the upper part of the leg. Finally, the branches of the anterior division ramify on the femoral artery and provide vasomotor twins. Close to the obturator canal, the anterior division gives articular twins to hip joint and it distributes the muscular branch to the adductor longus, gracilis, medial part of this pectineus and usually adductor brevis. To sum up, the anterior division provides the four types of the branch: muscular, articular and cutaneous and vascular. This one are the anterior division of this obturator. See this diagram. This one are the obturator nerve arise from this lumbar ventral rami, ventral primary rami of this L2, L3 and L4. So this one are this lumboflexus or the ventral rami and it passes this obturator foramen. These are the obturator nerve passes within this obturator foramen and come out at this adductor compartment of thigh. Here adductor compartment of thigh is divided into this anterior division and posterior division. This one are the posterior division of obturator nerve. This one are the anterior division of the obturator nerve. This muscle are the adductor brevis. तो adductor brevis के बीच में वो anterior and posterior division में form होता है. This one are the division of this obturator nerve. तो anterior division कहाँ पे जाएगा? Descend in front of the obturator external adductor brevis. तो ये वाला जो muscles है adductor brevis उसके front में वो descend हो रही है anterior division of this adductor obturator nerve. And posterior division of obturator nerve pierces the anterior surface of the obturator external pass downward behind the adductor brevis and lies in front of the adductor magnus. It supplies the obturator externus adductor component or the adductor magnus. So this one are the obturator nerve का posterior division है. In between this adductor brevis or lateral like adductor magnus. And it supplies the obturator externus adductor component of the adductor magnus and adductor brevis. It supplies the anterior division. So if it is not supply the anterior division, the terminal part of this posterior division from the genicular branch which pierces the adductor magnus or the pass through the hiatus for the femoral vessels to appear in the popliteal fossa. It descends along the popliteal vessels, pierces the oblique popliteal and capsular ligament of the knee, and distribute fiber to the articular capsule and cruciate ligament in the interior of the joint. The posterior division distributes the three types of the branch: muscular branch, articular branch, and vascular to the popliteal vessels. So these are the anterior and posterior division of this obturator nerve. Now accessory obturator nerve. Sometimes 30% of the subjects branch of this lumbar flexus, the ventral division of this anterior primary rami of the spinal nerve L3 and L4 descend along the medial border of vas major and dividing into three branches. It supplies the pectineus, hip joint, and third communicate with the anterior division of this obturator nerve. Name is given this accessory obturator nerve. Now you see this diagram of this obturator nerve and its terminal branch. These are the inguinal ligament. Tip to this inguinal ligament, this passes the femoral nerves and it supplies the anterior compartment of thigh muscles. कौन कौन से थे anterior compartment में? Rectus femoris, quadratus femoris में तीन मसल आता था ना, vastus lateralis, vastus medialis, vastus intermedialis, rectus femoris. These are the quadratus femoris. एडक्टर कंपार्टमेंट में दूसरे दो मसल्स, 4 मसल्स है. फर्स्ट आर द पेक्टिनियस. यू सी दिस वन आर द पेक्टिनियस. it is from the floor of this femoral triangle. then adductor brevis, then adductor longus muscles. उसके डीप में गया adductor magnus. adductor magnus के दो पार्ट थे, ischial part and adductor compartment. adductor compartment के जो नर्व के मसल्स है adductor magnus is supplied by this obturator nerve. Initial part is supplied by this tibial part of this sciatic nerve. The nerve supply and muscles of this obturator nerve. Obturator nerve arise from this L2, L4, anterior branch and posterior branch and cutaneous branch, and it innervate the medial side of this thigh, this area. It cutaneous distribution, medial view of this innervate the distribution of this anterior view. This are the distribution of this medial view at the medial side of this thigh. So any cutaneous sensation is lost this area, there may be damage the obturator nerve. Now obturator artery. So obturator artery, it is a branch of this anterior division of this internal iliac artery. किसकी branch है? Internal iliac artery की. Internal iliac artery and appear in this adductor region through the obturator canal, where the artery divide into medial and lateral branch. Both branch encircle the origin of this obturator externus and anastomosis with each other and with the medial circumflex femoral artery. Here it pass and it got anastomosis with medial circumflex femoral artery. The lateral branch gives of the acetabular twins which extend the hip joint through the gap between the acetabular notch and traverse the acetabular ligament. This branch supply the acetabular fat and provide the slender vessels to femoral head along the ligament of the head of femur. So this one are the obturator artery. So obturator artery branch किसकी branch है? Internal iliac artery की. Upper margin obturator foramen. Here it divide into anterior and posterior branch. The posterior branch supply the acetabular branch to fat in acetabular fossa, and posterior branch anastomose with the medial circumflex femoral artery. किसकी ब्रांच है? femoral artery की. medial circumflex femoral artery is a branch of femoral. उसके साथ यहाँ पे anastomosis हो रहा है. See this schematic diagram of this one are the femoral artery. It open at the adductor hiatus and continues as a popliteal artery. This one are this profunda femoral artery. Here it gives the branches to muscular branch. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the perforating branch, and it anastomose with this medial circumflex femoral artery. So this one are the schematic diagram of the profunda femoral artery and branch of this 1 to 4, 1 to 4 and psoas major. This one are the psoas major. A, B, C are the different muscles are described at the adductor compartment of thigh. Now this artery are this profunda femoral artery. This one are the medial circumflex femoral artery. उसकी A वाली ब्रांच है acetabular branch और A वाली है perforating insertion adductor magnus and pierce the perforating artery. This one are the transverse branch. यहाँ से जा रही है ascending branch and यहाँ पे आ रही है head of femur को retinacular artery. It is here there is a lateral circumflex femoral artery. So these are the distribution of the branches of the femoral artery. Now applied anatomy. So in disease of the hip joint, pain may be referred to medial side of this thigh or the knee joint along the obturator nerve, since the latter supply both the joint. In inflammation of ovary, localized peritonitis may affect the ovarian fossa with venitual irritation of this obturator nerve. Pain may be referred in such condition to the hip, knee or the inner side of this thigh. तो एप्लाइड एनाटॉमी में मेनली क्या है? रिफर पेन है. दूसरा क्या है? इन डिजीज ऑफ दिस हिप जॉइंट द पेन में बी रिफर्ड टू द मीडियल साइड ऑफ दिस थाई और द नी जॉइंट अलोंग द ऑब्चुरेटर नर्व, सिंस द लेटर सप्लाई बोथ द जॉइंट. तो मतलब जो ऑब्चुरेटर नर्व है दोनों जॉइंट को सप्लाई करती है, हिप जॉइंट एंड नी जॉइंट में, इसलिए वहाँ पे रिफर्ड पेन हो रहा है. तो उसका सर्जिकल डिवीजन ऑफ दिस ऑब्चुरेटर नर्व may be necessary to relieve the spasm of adductor muscles in a spastic paralysis. In inflammation of this ovary, localized peritonitis may affect the ovarian fossa with eventual irritation of this obturator nerve. Pain may be referred in such condition to the hip, knee or the inner side of this thigh. This one are the obturator nerve का applied anatomy. Now adductor canal. Also name is given this Hunter canal. Why? Because it is discovered by this Jones Hunter. So this canal name is given this Hunter's canal. Also name is given this subsartorial canal. You see this adductor canal का दूसरा नाम है subsartorial canal और उसका नाम है Hunter's canal. So adductor canal is an intermuscular cleft situated on the medial aspect of the middle third of the thigh. So ये वाला sartorius है muscles. This one are the sartorius anterosuperior spine to insertion यहाँ पे आएगा middle surface of this tibia. This one are the adductor longus. तो ये वाला triangle और femoral triangle जहाँ पे apex है femoral triangle उसके नीचे sartorius के नीचे है adductor canal. So deep to this sartorius इसलिए उसका दूसरा नाम दिया है subsartorial canal. और ये डिस्कवर किया है जॉन्स हंटर ने, इसलिए वो कैनाल का नाम दिया है हंटर कैनाल. इट इज मस्कुलो एपोनेरोटिक टनल. क्या है? मसल्स एपोनेरोटिक और वहाँ पे डिप में टनल लाइक है, इसलिए उसका दूसरा नाम है मस्कुलो एपोनेरोटिक टनल और सबसैटोरियल कैनाल और हंटर कैनाल. So it is triangular on cross section and extend from the apex of femoral triangle to fifth osteoponeurotic opening of the adductor magnus, through which the femoral vessels reach the popliteal fossa as popliteal vessels. The adductor canal occupy the middle one-third of this middle side of this thigh. So when you can take the cross section, so these are the triangular shape, name is given this adductor canal. So above there is a sartorius, this one are the above there is a sartorius. When you can cut the sartorius, so deep there is a subsartorial canal or adductor canal, it lies deep. So lower part of this thigh, it contains this subsartorial canal or adductor canal. So extend उसका कहाँ से? It begins at the apex of femoral triangle and end below at the opening in adductor magnus. सो यहाँ पे जो एडक्टर मैग्नस का 6 ऑस्टियोपेनोडेटिक ओपनिंग था, जहाँ से फ्यूमरल आर्टरी पास हो रही थी और पीछे जा रही थी पोप्लेटल आर्टरी फॉर्म हो रही थी. सो दिस आर द एक्सटेंशन ऑफ दिस एडक्टर कैनाल at the apex of this femoral triangle and end below at the opening of this adductor magnus. उसका शेप कैसा है कैनाल का? It is triangular on cross section. You see this one are the triangular on cross section. So these are the shape of this adductor canal. उसमें क्या क्या आता है? Content of this adductor canal में saphenous nerve है, femoral artery है, nerve to vastus medialis है, then branch of the anterior and posterior division of the obturator nerve है, profunda femoris artery superficial है, and femoral vein, femoral artery, femoral vein, and वो तीन नर्व saphenous nerve है, nerve to vastus medialis है, and branch of the anterior and posterior division of this obturator nerve. This one are the content of this adductor canal. उसकी बाउंड्री में क्या आएगा? Anteriorly vastus medialis है. So these muscles, this one are the vastus medialis. This one are the anterolaterally. Posteriorly or the floor, it is formed by the adductor longus above and adductor magnus below. So these are the adductor longus and adductor magnus. So below or the posterior border, it is formed by this floor of this subsartorial canal. So adductor longus and adductor magnus. So posterior or the floor formed by this adductor longus above and adductor magnus below. Roof, it is formed by this strong fascia which extend across the above the mentioned muscles. The sartorius muscles lies on the fascial roof and the subsartorial flexus of the nerve intervene between them. The roof is pierced by the saphenous nerve and the saphenous branch of the descending genicular artery. These are the formed by this saphenous nerve and saphenous branch of the descending genicular artery. These are formed the roof, deep to this roof and subsartorial flexus. Fibrous roof with subsartorial flexus. It is from the roof of this subsartorial canal or the adductor canal. The subsartorial flexus क्या है? The subsartorial flexus of the nerve is formed by the branch from the saphenous nerve, posterior branch of the medial femoral cutaneous nerve and anterior division of this obturator nerve. Through this flexus, the obturator nerve provide the cutaneous branch to the medial side of this lower part of this thigh. So this one are the roof of this adductor canal. तो उसकी बाउंड्री में क्या आएगा? एंटीरोलेटरली, पोस्टेरोमीडियली एंड मीडियल वॉल. एंटीरोलेटरल वॉल से फॉर्म किसे हो रहा है? वास्टस मीडियालिस से. दिस वन आर द एंटीरोलेटरल बाउंड्री. Then posteromedial floor, it is formed by the adductor longus above and adductor magnus below. Medial wall or the roof, this one are the medial wall or the roof. It is formed by the strong fibrous membrane joining the anterolateral and posteromedial wall, and the roof is overlapped by the sartorius. These are the roof, it is overlapped by the sartorius. This one are the subsartorial flexus. Subsartorial flexus, it is subsartorial flexus lies on the fibrous roof of the canal and formed by this medial cutaneous nerve of thigh, anterior division of obturator nerve and saphenous nerve. So क्या है? subsartorial flexus कैसे form हो रहा है? medial cutaneous nerve of thigh, anterior division of obturator nerve and saphenous nerve. तीनों से form हो रहा है subsartorial flexus. So it is formed by the branches from saphenous nerve, posterior division and of the medial femoral cutaneous nerve and anterior division of this obturator nerve. So obturator nerve, saphenous nerve क्या है? femoral nerve का division है and saphenous nerve and posterior branch of the medial femoral cutaneous nerve. So through this flexus, the obturator nerve provide cutaneous branch to the medial side of this lower part of this thigh. Now apex or contain. Contain, it is contained by the femoral artery within the canal. It gives of this muscular branch and a descending genicular branch. Femoral vein begins at the upward continuation of the popliteal vein from the popliteal fossa. Saphenous nerve, nerve to vastus medialis and branches of the two divisions of the obturator nerve. This one are the content of this femoral adductor canal. So adductor canal का apex आएगा. Since the canal is triangular on cross section, the apex or the edge is formed by the medial lip of the linea aspera where the vastus medial adductor magnus meet. So surgeon Jones entered this region at the site of the compression of femoral blood vessels by applying the tourniquet against the bony resistance of the linea aspera to arrest the bleeding in the operation of the aneurysm of the popliteal vessels or in amputation of lower limb below the knee. As the surgical name of the adductor canal is Hunter's canal. तो जो जॉन्स हंटर था सर्जन, वो एक कैनाल में यूटिलाइज कर रहा था, क्या कर रहा था, फीमोरल आर्टरी को लाइगेट कर रहा था विथ टॉर्निकेट से अगेंस्ट द लिना एस्प्रा. तो वहाँ पे जो ऑपरेशन हो रहा है एन्यूरिज्म ऑफ पोप्लिटल वेसल्स का, एम्पुटेशन ऑफ द लोअर लिम्ब बिलो द नी, वहाँ पे वो फीमोरल ब्लड वेसल्स को वो टॉर्निकेट से लाइगेट करता था या कंप्रेस करता था ताकि प्रोफ्यूज ब्लीडिंग अवॉइड होता है. और फीमोरल कैनाल जो है एडक्टर कैनाल के कंटेन में आएगा फीमोरल आर्टरी, फीमोरल वेन, सेफिनस नर्व टू वास्टस मीडियली. Occasionally, there is a posterior division of obturator nerve, terminal part of this profunda femoral vessels. So, these one are the content of this femoral adductor canal. So, adductor canal or substator canal or Hunter canals, musculoaponeurotic tunnels, boundary, roof, floor, apex from by medial lip of the linea aspera, and contain femoral artery, veins, saphenous nerve to vastus medialis, two division of the obturator nerve and terminal part of this profunda femoral vessels. So these one are the content of this adductor canal. So femoral artery क्या है, extend from the apex of femoral triangle to the fifth opening of the adductor magnus and gives of the descending genicular branch before leaving the adductor canal. Femoral vein है, lies behind the artery in upper part of this canal and posterolateral to the artery in the lower part of this canal. Saphenous nerve है, accompanying the lateral to the artery in this upper part of this canal. It then crosses in front of the artery and descends on the medial side of this lateral until the nerve leaves the adductor canal by piercing the fibrous roof. This one are the content of this adductor canal. You see this femoral artery, femoral vein, and there is a now are the saphenous nerve. So this one are the saphenous nerve. So saphenous nerve, femoral vein, femoral artery. So femoral artery कहाँ पे extend हो रही है? Femoral triangle to fifth opening of the adductor magnus and descending genicular branch वो देगी before leaving the adductor canal. तो यहाँ पे उसकी जो branch है femoral artery की, these are the descending genicular artery. So descending genicular artery ये वाले पूरा एडक्टर कैनाल है, ये आर्टरी है, कौन सी ब्रांच रही है, डिसेंडिंग जेनिकुलर आर्टरी, उसके बाद वो बाहर निकल जाएगी एडक्टर कैनाल में से. तो फीमोरल वेन आर्टरी के पीछे है एंड अपर पार्ट ऑफ दिस कैनाल एंड पोस्टीरियर लेटर टू द आर्टरी इन लोअर पार्ट ऑफ दिस कैनाल. ये उसके पीछे है अपर पार्ट ऑफ दिस कैनाल, लोअर पार्ट में वो कहाँ पे आ जाएगी, लोअर पार्ट ऑफ दिस पोस्टीरियर लेटरल में आएगी, पोस्टीरियर लेटरल साइड में आएगी. और saphenous nerve accompanying the lateral to the artery in upper part of the canal, it then crosses in front of the artery and descend on the medial side of lateral until the nerve leaves the adductor canal by piercing the fibrous roof. So this one now are the saphenous nerve. Now दूसरी nerve है nerve to vastus medialis. ये वाला, this one are the nerve to vastus medialis. The nerve to vastus medialis accompany the lateral to the artery in upper part of the canal until it penetrates the substance of the muscles. So these are the content of this adductor canal: femoral artery, femoral vein, then femoral artery की terminal जो branch है genicular descending genicular artery, nerve आएगी saphenous nerve and nerve to vastus medialis. The spiral course of the saphenous nerve and femoral vein, which repeat to femoral artery, respect to the femoral artery in the adductor canal, can be explained by the fact that the lower limb undergoes medial rotation from the fetal position. So these are the content of this adductor canal. So here is a हंटर्स कैनाल्स का नाम क्यों दिया है, बिकॉज द जॉन्स हंटर उनका वहाँ पे उसने यूटिलाइज किया था this region for the compression of femoral blood vessels to arrest the bleeding in the operation of the amputation of lower limb below the knee. So surgical name gives the Hunter's canal. So subsartorial canal because of this sartorius muscles के डिप में है और जॉन हंटर ने यूटिलाइज किया था this canal का. So name is given this Hunter's canal. So here there is a complete the class of this front of this thigh and middle side of this thigh. So any query please come give me comment box, and there is a complete the adductor side, adductor compartment and front of thigh. Thank you.